Hey guys, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. This is Ashank David, and in today's video we are going to discuss about Tableau. So in today's video we are going to talk about how you can save your data visualization from Tableau Public, because the problem that we usually face is that we cannot save the data visualizations which we have done from Tableau Public to a local machine. Many a times we face the situation. So in this video, let's focus on how to save that. So before we start this video, I would like to request you people to please like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. Also, if you want to learn Tableau Public, I have already created a playlist on Tableau Public. So if you would like to watch that as well, I will give the link of that playlist in the description below as well as in the I button. So you can go ahead and watch that. And also if you want to learn how this visualization was made, which is visible in your screen right now, I will create a separate video on this and I'll put the video in the same playlist for Tableau. We are working on our Tableau playlist and soon you will see more and more videos on Tableau. Now let's continue to the main topic. So for example, let's say this is our visualization and we need to save this into a local machine. Problem with Tableau Public is that we cannot save it into a normal machine. So how we will save it? So let's say this is the visualization you have and now you want to save it. The simple thing that you need to do is go on file and you have to click on to save to Tableau Public. Now, for those people who uses Tableau paid version, that is Tableau desktop, for them, the option for saving it into the local machine or downloading the visualization into the local machine is available. But here in Tableau Public, we need to save it to Tableau Public servers. So whatever visualizations that you do here will be uploaded to the server. And from there, we can download the visualizations that we have done manually. You can download it in the form of PDF or PPT or whatever you would like to. So you have to click onto this save to Tableau Public. And as soon as I click onto save to Tableau Public, you see that a small dialog box will appear and it will start saving my workbook to Tableau Public. Now, if you haven't logged in to Tableau Public, it will ask you to log in first. For me, it is already logged in. So directly it is opening up my Google Chrome, and here it just created the workbook and saved it into my Tableau Public server. I've already logged in into it. So you can see my name here, Tableau Demo by Ashank David. So here, this is the visualization that we have created. Now, it is already uploaded to Tableau server. So if you want to download it to your local machine, you need to click onto this icon right here. This is the download button. So here you'll click on to download and now it asks you various different options. You want to download it in the form of image or the data or cross tab or PDF or PowerPoint or Tableau workbook. So I'm going to click on to image. If you want PDF, you can get PDF, or if you want PowerPoint, you can download the PowerPoint. I'm going to download the image. So let's say I'm going to download the image. I'll click on to this and I'll just save it on my desktop. And this is my desktop, and you can see that if I double click and open it, you can see this is the image that we have created from our Tableau Public into our local machine. Now you can use it to create PowerPoints, or you can download the PowerPoint version directly from the Tableau Public servers. This is how you can download any visualization that you have done from Tableau Public to your local machine. I hope that this video was informative and you have understood this video very well. If you have any doubts, you can ask us in the comment section below and I'll try to clear your doubts as soon as possible. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Ashank David signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one.